I-35 is vitally important, but our state highways, farm to markets, and other roads also carry heavy loads, literally. Trucks, including those hauling oversize and overweight loads, travel thousands of miles on our Texas roads every year, and our Motor Carrier Division routes and issues permits for the transport of these loads. In 2009 alone, the Motor Carrier Division issued more than 500,000 permits and collected over $95 million in permit fees. The current routing process can be slow and cumbersome. While most customers apply online, it's only an application. There is no online processing of the permit. It's a time-consuming process that can cause costly delays. The biggest problem is that routes are determined by utilizing customized paper maps, updated by hand, maps that require reprinting every 3 years. With between 1,500 to 2,000 temporary and permanent restrictions on Texas roads daily, manual mapping and routing is labor-intensive and can lead to errors. Permitting delays represent significant cost to carriers and shippers. These delays can also tempt carriers to bypass the system entirely, transporting unrouted, unpermitted loads called running hot. Trucks running hot jeopardize the safety of our traveling public and compromise our mission to provide safe, effective, and efficient movement. But help is on the way in the form of TxPROS. TxPROS, Texas Permit Routing Optimization System, will revolutionize how we do business. The purpose of TxPROS is to provide a modern, web-based permitting system to meet current and future needs. It will automatically process many permit types and generate safe routes on roadways best designed to handle them. More importantly, customers will spend less time waiting. Customers will be able to apply online, then issue permits themselves, saving TxDOT staff time. And for the first time ever, TxPROS will provide the ability to dynamically track oversize overweight loads on Texas infrastructure. With TxPROS, we will have one official map. This will reduce errors and eliminate the need to update maps daily by hand. TxPROS is a prime example of one DOT in action. It was developed through a collaborative effort on the part of the Motor Carrier Division, districts, other divisions, and the motor carrier industry.
Bryan District was proud to be a part of the design process for TxPROS and really look forward to it being implemented and for us to use it out in the field.
Our districts joined the effort with design suggestions and testing. We enlisted our customers in the motor carrier industry to help create a system that would meet their specific needs, then had them test the program. Putting the one DOT philosophy into action, the Motor Carrier Division called on colleagues in the Austin, Bryan, San Antonio, Waco, and Yoakum districts, as well as bridge, construction, finance, general services, and technology services divisions to help ensure that TxPROS is a success for the department. Working together as one, we reached a solution: TxPROS.
We never would have been able to reach the level of success that we think we're going to have with TxPROS without that collaboration between the districts and division. And that involves everything from the design of the system to providing data for the system. The end result for all of us will be a better view of where this traffic is going, where this traffic is traveling, and will help us plan our maintenance and construction dollars a lot more effectively.
Programming and planning our maintenance dollars will be easier with the information provided by TxPROS. New reporting capabilities will allow districts to access information specific to their region, information detailing routes, loads, and miles traveled. Existing and emerging freight corridors will be identified, allowing district staff to better target and plan how to use their funds. Once implemented, the system will provide a wealth of information never before available in one centralized database. The functionality of TxPROS, its ability to simplify and to streamline the permitting process while providing real-time information, is simply not available anywhere else in the United States. Ainsworth Trucking in Robstown is working with the Motor Carrier Division to test TxPROS, providing valuable feedback on the new system. David Ainsworth says he's excited about what it means for his business.
Working with TxDOT for the past, it's been 16 years on the permit issues, and we've come a long way. And as an owner of a company that deals with this every day, the impact that it's going to make on us when this gets complete and online for us to use is going to be tremendous. It's going to be a cost savings. We're going to be able to be more efficient with deliveries for our customers, of loading the permit loads, getting the permits, and being able to leave pretty much immediately after we load instead of having to wait hours for the permits.
Working together in the spirit of one DOT, marshaling the forces of TxDOT's divisions and districts, the Motor Carrier Division successfully designed, developed, and completed the initial testing of TxPROS. Permit specialists and customers are now testing the statewide prototype, and implementation is set for May 2011. The flexibility and functionality of TxPROS to provide quick, efficient, and accurate routing and permitting will provide a solid, stable foundation for the future.